guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by QVR Hair Company, and baby, as y'all can see, I'm looking way too different and I'm loving this change. Okay, QVR said, baby girl, we've got you covered. Okay, so they specialize in hair extensions, afro kinky bulk, crochet hair, spring twist, passion twist, bulk braiding hair, water wave bulk hair extensions for boho knotless braiding, and of course many other extensions. Okay, and honestly guys, I am loving the way I look, and I also love the convenience of knotless braids. Like, I sleep pretty and I wake up pretty. Like, I don't have to take them off. That is a plus. Okay, so I'm so excited to be showing you guys how my hairstylist and I achieved this gorgeous look. This video is self-explanatory, but I quickly want to take you through what my hairstylist did to achieve these knotless braids using QVR hair extensions. These are of high quality. They are bouncy, shiny, and they do not tangle, which means you can definitely reuse them. So my hairstylist prepped and sectioned my hair using a red tail comb, applied styling gel, started braiding using the traditional knotless braiding method, and then as she was braiding down, she took a piece of QVR water wave extension and integrated it into the braid. She added some of the QVR extensions here at random spots along the braiding to create that beautiful looking boho knotless braid. I am so obsessed, you guys. QVR said the girlies are gonna look like 10 out of 10s minus nothing, because these curls are 100% human hair. Guys, the hairdresser is simply saying these curls are doing the most. Okay, she has been complimenting the curls throughout. Okay, so you have to get human hair curls, period. Okay, QVR is doing the most, period. Wow. So Rendani, which curls do you prefer, the normal ones or the QVR curls?
The QVR of
the QVR, they're too beautiful, ne? Yeah, guys, the curls are doing the most.
Like even the texture.
The texture of it, ne? Yeah.
It's wow. It's giving.
It's giving, ne?
It's giving.
Guys, I get like my hairstylist is even.
I never came across something like this.
Ne? It's quality, guys. So do check the description box down below. We are not even done yet, but this is how I'm looking. I'm gonna show you guys the final look soon. Okay?
Yes.
You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, every time I look to you. Come make us stop, hold you for me.
So guys, these are the extensions that we used to achieve this look. And one thing that I love is that these extensions are reusable because these are 100% human hair. Okay, so which means it is so easy for the curls to bounce back. Okay, even after like 3 months of having the hair, they can literally just bounce back. So I'm going to comb them out nicely, and then after combing them out, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use mousse or even water and hair conditioner to make them come back to life, period. Okay, so we're just gonna separate the curls using our hands. Look how they bounce back. Look at that. Okay, so this is after I combed out the curls, and of course this is the original curly extension. This is how they look straight out of the box, nice and defined. So right now I'm going to use mousse to define these curls. Okay, so that I can show you what we mean when we say quality. They're just gonna bounce back. So remember guys, you can also use hair conditioner mixed with water to define the curls. Look at that, they just bounce back just like that. That's when you know that you are working with a good quality hair extensions. Back to normal. So this is it guys, this is how the hair extension looks. No tangling and nothing. I can still run my fingers through the hair extension. I cannot even tell you how excited I am to be rocking these hair extensions. Okay, like this is quality. Let me just come closer so that you can see. I love the fact that this hairstyle is very much breathable. I can scratch my scalp anytime I want. I can clean my scalp anytime I want without worrying. And the fact that these extensions do not tangle. Guys, look, the fact that they do not tangle, it is a 10 out of 10 because I can reuse them anytime. Okay, I can literally just take a shower with these. If I want to wash them myself, I can easily do that. Okay, so the quality is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, look at that, guys. And I have peace. Okay, I have peace. I can scratch my scalp. I can clean my scalp. Okay, I am so happy. Okay, and there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase these gorgeous hair extensions from QVR company. Until next time, bye guys.